Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Miles from Custom Made Custom, and I'm back here at Angelus to do another video for you guys. So for today's custom, we're gonna be doing an Avatar The Last Airbender on a pair of slip-on Vans. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into it. So working with Vans, especially slip-ons, you're gonna want to put the shoe tree in to get the shape of the foot right. So now we're taping up the midsole. So adding the 1:1 ratio of flat white and 2 soft will give me a flat surface to work on for the paint. So once the whole shoe is dry, the next step is for me to draw out a sketch. Now that you got your sketch on there, it's ready to paint. So now that I'm done painting, I'm going to be sealing this off with a matte finish with an airbrush. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys can catch me at Instagram at Custom Picasso. I'm Miles. I'll catch you guys next time.